So today, let's talk about the Pebble Round 2, a smartwatch that feels like it was made for people who actually miss the original Pebble days. This isn't a loud, flashy tech gadget trying to replace your phone. Pebble Round 2 is more about bringing back that classic watch-first feeling, while quietly fixing the biggest problems the original Pebble Time Round had. At first glance, the design will feel very familiar, especially if you've owned a Pebble before. It keeps that clean, circular shape that made the Pebble Time Round stand out, but this time, it looks far more refined. The biggest visual upgrade is the display. Pebble Round 2 now has a 1.3-inch color e-paper screen that covers the entire front of the watch. That thick black bezel from the older model is completely gone, and honestly, that alone makes a huge difference. Notifications are easier to read, watch faces look more detailed, and the whole watch just feels more modern and premium. What's impressive is that even with the larger screen, the watch is still incredibly thin. Pebble managed to keep it almost as slim as the original Round, which is kind of rare in the smartwatch world. Because of that, it feels light on the wrist and comfortable enough to wear all day. It's also one of those watches that doesn't look out of place whether you're wearing casual clothes or something more formal, which is something many bulky smartwatches struggle with. Battery life is another area where Pebble Round 2 really shines. This watch can last up to 2 weeks on a single charge, and yes, that's with regular smartwatch use. No daily charging anxiety here. This improvement comes from newer, more efficient Bluetooth chip technology, combined with that always-on e-paper display. You get smart features without constantly worrying about your battery percentage. Build quality has also been stepped up. The watch body is made from stainless steel, and it comes in brushed silver, matte black, and polished rose gold. Each version has its own vibe, and Pebble offers different band sizes depending on the model. In the box, you get a silicone band for everyday use, but if you want something more classic, optional leather bands are available and really suit the round design. Another underrated upgrade is how the display is bonded to the front glass. It's optically bonded now, which improves viewing angles and makes the screen easier to read even when you're looking at it from the side or under bright sunlight. That's exactly what you want from an always-on watch you're checking throughout the day. On the software side, Pebble Round 2 runs on open-source PebbleOS. It's lightweight, smooth, and works with both Android and iOS. The Pebble mobile app is also open-source, which is a big deal for long-term support. It means the community can keep improving it, fixing bugs, and adding features even years down the line. Pebble also kept physical buttons, which many people actually prefer. These tactile buttons make it easy to navigate menus and notifications without constantly tapping the screen. They're especially useful when you're walking, busy, or wearing gloves, and it's nice that Pebble didn't remove them just to chase trends. In terms of health features, Pebble Round 2 keeps things simple. It supports basic activity tracking like steps and sleep, but it's not trying to compete with hardcore fitness watches. There's no heart rate sensor here, and that's intentional. This watch is meant to be an everyday companion, not a full-on sports tracker. You also get access to the Pebble App Store, which has over 15,000 apps and watch faces. Even older Pebble watch faces look better on this larger screen, and future updates are expected to optimize them even more. Customization has always been one of Pebble's strengths, and that fun, playful experience is still very much alive here. When you compare it to the Pebble Time 2, there are some clear differences. Pebble Round 2 includes a touchscreen and dual microphones, but it skips things like a heart rate sensor and a speaker. This helps keep the design slim, the battery life long, and the experience focused on simplicity rather than feature overload. As for pricing, Pebble Round 2 is set at $199 and is currently available for pre-order on repebble.com. Shipping is expected to begin in May, and if you already had a Pebble Time 2 pre-order, you can switch to the Round 2 without losing your place in the line. Overall, Pebble Round 2 feels like a smartwatch made with intention. It's for people who care about long battery life, a clean, circular design, an always-on display, and a customizable experience without unnecessary complexity. Backed by an open-source community and a more sustainable approach to tech, Pebble Round 2 isn't trying to be everything, and that's exactly why it works.